Welcome to MK Tech, and in today's video I'm going to share with you the review of the True Wireless Stereo Earbuds. These ones. So these ones came on June 2020 last year, and I used them for 8 months. They're actually good, they have better sound system, and they actually last for a long time. When they came out on June, I immediately bought them because I bought them together with the i12 P36 Pro LTE. I've also done a review and an unboxing of the phone. Once you instantly buy these earbuds, they actually come with the USB Type-C cable charger here, and the case with the earbuds, the manual. These earbuds, they are the cheapest ones you can get, and they are similar to those ones of the AirPods Pro 2 of the iPhone. So you can get these at a cheaper price compared to the ones that came out before that, the AirPods 2, right? So these ones, they are compatible with iPhones, the XR, the X, the iPhone 10, the 10s Max, and also the iPhone 6 and the iPhone 7, and also with the Android devices. So you can use them also with the Android devices. It's compatible with them, right? Charging hours are 1 to 2, and these earbuds, they are good at sound stereo, and they actually have a better sound stereo actually. If your volume is reduced to a low, you can clearly hear the song or the music that you are playing. And also the music time when you're playing these earbuds, they take up to 3 to 4 hours. According to me, as I've used it, they are at 5 hours, maximum 5 hours. So I can play music on these little babies for 5 hours. They're actually good. I would actually recommend them. If you want to buy them, contact me in the description. Check my contact details in the description below. I'll tell you where you should get them. Right. So as you see, this case is not just a case. This is a power bank actually. It holds 350. The battery capacity of each of these earbuds hold at 35 million power. So as you see that light there, it's actually searching for a Bluetooth network. So they use Bluetooth 5.0. Connectivity distance of these earbuds, they go up to 10 to 15 meters. While your music is playing, while your device is also on the other side of the room, or while you are far away from your phone. Earphones, they use a stereo type mode for playing your music, right? You can answer your call, you can play your music, playing your video games. You can actually use these guys here for better sound quality of the music in the game. So these ones, they are portable and they're actually light. So the earbuds case of these earphones, it's actually light. As I've said before, it also carries power, so it acts like a power bank. Earbuds, they have a noise cancelling system whereby it cancels the noise around you when you're playing your music, and they have a sensor. They have a sensor at the back here and a microphone here, so you can actually play, pause your music, or you can answer your phone, or you can also turn on or off these earphones if you want to use them, right? So they support every kind of music when you're playing. If you're turning them on or if you're charging, they actually reflect red and blue light, and they show a heart, as you can see, a little red heart while it's charging them, and they charge for up to 1 or 2 hours. These are the True Wireless Stereo Earbuds. If you want them, get in contact with me. I bought these last year. I've been using them for 8 months. They're actually good, and the sound of it is actually awesome. They also have a small button here where you can turn them on or off. Right, let's connect them and see how long they take to connect to the nearest device. So as you see, they're actually off. So let's turn them on. Like you see the light, the blue light, and I really hard there. As you see, this light, it shows that they are actually searching for the nearest Bluetooth device. I tried to connect them to my phone. I actually said connected, so it's that instant. They have connected to my phone, the i12 6 and they show connectivity sign right there. I'll try to show you later on. So let's play some music. I forgot to tell you, I also sing choral music, so let's play one of the choral music set I have on my phone. Actually stick into your ears, they actually don't move. Trying to move them and see if they actually come off, but they actually stick there, so they're actually good. So the sensors here, you can turn them, you can use this to play music just like that. The microphone here when you're receiving calls, and the sensor they turn on off. Right, so let's play some music here. Let me select one of my favorite song by SA singers called Ingoma. I hope it's clear. The volume. So these are actually powerful. So yeah, they actually play a very good music, and the sound here is awesome. This song is called Ingoma Nyengoma. It's our vernacular language, the Ndebele or Zulu. As I've said, these connect to your phone. It doesn't matter which phone you use, whether Android or iOS or Mac. It can also connect to your TV and also to your laptop or desktop. So the connectivity of the earbuds actually good, because once you instantly remove them here, they actually search. If you see the red light, they actually search for the nearest Bluetooth device, and they automatically connect the AirPods and the device, and they pair devices, right? So these are the earbuds, True Wireless Earbuds, and they're good. Try them if you want them. Yeah, so this is MK Tech. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you subscribe to our channel, like, and also share this video to your friends. Cheers.